Hey there! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when working with WebVTT files and JSON conversion. Problem: have you ever needed to convert WebVTT to JSON and wondered how to do it efficiently using JQ? Well, that's exactly what we'll be diving into today. Solution. So the solution to this problem involves optimizing the JQ filter to streamline the conversion process. The key is to handle line endings, ensure the final new line is accounted for, and structure the output in a clean and concise manner. By following the suggested approach, you can convert your WebVTT files to JSON seamlessly and without any hassle. Now, let's break it down step by step. Firstly, we address the issue of line endings by removing carriage return characters and focusing solely on new line characters. Next, we handle the final new line requirement by splitting the input into empty line delimited blocks without the need for an extra new line at the end. Finally, we compose the output by organizing the content into the desired JSON structure, including the file name, file type, and queues with their respective subtitles. In a nutshell, by adopting this refined approach, you can effectively convert your WebVTT files to JSON with ease and precision. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to us. Goodbye, and happy converting.